Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore SOPs using Notion templates, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening Notion and logging into your account. Once you're on the home screen, navigate to the left sidebar. Click on the Templates option to open the template gallery. In the template gallery, use the search bar to find relevant SOP templates. Browse through the available templates and select one that suits your needs. Click on the template to preview its content. If you like what you see, click the Use this template button. This action will create a new page based on the selected template. Rename the page to reflect the specific SOP you are restoring. Begin customizing the details within the template to fit your organization's needs. Edit each section by clicking on the text and inputting the relevant information. You can also add or remove sections as necessary. To add new sections, simply hit the Enter key and type in your content. Consider incorporating links or multimedia elements to enhance clarity. Make sure to format the text appropriately for easy readability. Once you are satisfied with the content, review it for accuracy. After reviewing, return to the main page and ensure everything is saved. Share the newly created SOP page with your team. Adjust sharing settings to control who can view or edit the document. Encourage feedback from team members to refine the SOP further. Regularly update the SOP as needed to keep it relevant and effective. With these steps, you can effectively restore your SOPs using Notion templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.